out when you guys see old Broadway and Broadway. Give you an idea of where I might be headed. I don't know if you can see that road sign up there. But it says Rifle Range Road.
See the way my account set up was a little bit different than yours.
How you know?
Oh, I know.
Huh?
Oh, I know. I seen the video slap.
Huh?
I know. Why there ain't no option for slap?
Oh no, you don't even start. Look at all this bling bling.
Man, whatever. I'm still trying to catch up with you. Good morning. How you,
Well,
man?
you done caught me and passed me, left me looking bad.
No.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey.
Lappydog.
And I wanna sing a song for you.
It's Lappydog.
Tell you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
No, bro. You still down there in fantasy world. You need to wake up.
Hey, I wish I was still down there. What's up, lady?
How you?
I'm great. He up here trying to compare a pocketbook, and he over here bling bling. You know you wasn't gonna let her out chrome you.
You know that old change purse you squeezed and got the change in it?
Yeah.
That's all I'm still carrying, bro.
But
Everything tight over here.
yours got gold doubloons. I got the kind of jingle. You got gold doubloons. That's nice, man. Did you buy it like it?
Well,
She's over here laughing at you because you know you get ready to tell a lie.
Slappy, I'm with you. I'm like,
some
you
of
gonna
it-
get rid of F6B to go back to Goldwing, but I understood why it works.
You know what though?
oh, really?
And
Some of
it
was.
was
Yeah, but I done added.
in his defense. Now my F6B fun for in town, but the
Gotcha.
travel.
Well, that's you're right.
Oh, yeah.
You're right.
The
And
travel,
that's
that-
what
I
we
wouldn't
do
take
more
none.
out than we do in.
That
Yeah.
was- to be honest with you, Slap, that's the biggest reason I did what I did.
Yeah.
I'm on the road more than I am. So
Right.
I needed my space back.
You pulling trailers too?
Yeah, we both do.
Y'all both do? Both Bush Tech? Okay.
Yeah. We run up on a deal, 1K for one.
Huh?
I couldn't pass.
He
it
said,
up.
huh?
And a dude, it was white. And my boy in Chad painted it for me to match the bike for 400.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Does this light up?
Which one?
The Honda sign.
No.
Oh, okay.
I got an old bike. It don't like it.
Well, I was wondering.
I wanted to.
You know, he'll make some stuff happen
I
now.
wanted to.
He'll,
do it.
hey,
His light up on the side. I said I gotta
Well,
get
that's what
a
Slap
11
got
or
too.
12 because mine won't. But I do want. I would like it to.
they came in just to eat some Mexican food, y'all.
Hey, I'm a good for Mexican 8 days a week.
8 days.
Gotta have it.
Dr. Young Girl.
It's the same gear, so
She probably run as fast as he do.
she do. Hey, that's what hey, if they gonna run behind you, got to.
Yeah.
What?
Go just as fast as we do.
That's where we learn it from.
From us.
I told him
Yes.
a long time ago, you ain't leaving me when I had that 1100.
I went to come down here.
KD,
What's up, bro?
what's going on? Man, I had no idea. I knew it had to be something.
Hey, I'm supposed to be working on a house today and everything. When he messaged that dude, go pick up my grandson. I said, hold on, baby, I'm finna work all this out. He said friends and food.
Listen,
Friends and food.
absolutely.
What, you limping?
Yeah.
What you done did to
Oh
her?
yes, she
How you
had
doing?
I'm good. How are you?
PCL repair.
Oh, and still riding. And still out
He
here.
showed me the picture of you behind him. I said, then he must be doing better than
Yeah, we tried to, we worked it out and to see how she was on it. Then once she's on it, she's like, oh yeah, I'm good.
You ain't got to do none of this. You ain't got to do no
Exactly.
shifting. You
She
good.
just has one,
There you go.
and just
And
that
that was
paddle
her-
shift. That's it.
Yeah.
what bike
Yeah.
riders do.
Yeah.
We work through the pain, gotta go. That's my therapy.
Yes.
Hey, she must be a rider because them videos I be seeing when somebody's behind you.
She
must be behind you, keeping up.
Listen, I don't worry about her. I mean, coming down here, I mean, we hit, for some, like, time coming, before coming over Jellicoe, they have so much construction only down to one lane for us. And I mean, we were rolling 85 the whole time. Look who it is.
Who was that?
Scooter.
Oh, was that right?
Scooter done popped up. Man. Boy, we got a family reunion going on.
Lewis, call. We speak. We listen.
Listen.
He didn't even know you had.
What's going on?
What's up?
Man,
That
it's
joke
crazy.
put the word.
I finally get to meet you. We always missing each other.
But I've seen you,
Hey, last time I seen you, you had a Hayabusa on the back of your.
Hey, I ain't even mad at you.
and even like,
You still got the other one? The other wing. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he hit it here.
Oh, really?
My wife still got her.
Okay.
just now.
Like I was like, this weekend? He said no today. I was like, yeah.
And you got the blacked out edition. You wasn't playing with it, was it?
I had went to work.
Let me move out of the way.
Like it's a damn party over here.
It is. At Electrical Connect, what's up, man? Finally good to meet you, bro. Yeah.
What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you.
Oh, Scooter done showed up. Look like he's ready to do some traveling. That bad boy is nice, ain't it?
Oh yeah, look at that trunk on it.
I see.
Yes, sir.
Old Lewis at Electrical Connection said, let's go get us something good to eat. Put out the call, and here we are.
I'm gonna move real quick for that truck.
I wonder if I ought to move too.
If I move, it should be good.
Now, do this light up here?
That's a Electric Connection special. Yeah, they do. I like showing those off, Lewis.
I would do mine.
I like
Those the blinker light. Yeah. Ah.
Stuck it in here. They dead.
Hey, Lou, you see this, don't you? Finally got one, yeah. Yeah, they bust my head open too. When I said Lewis, the price went up.
Oh,
Have a good one now. When I said Lewis, it went up. Oh, progressive, this is good.
Like he was ready to take
Look,
a
I didn't mount on mine.
Yeah.
On the floorboard mount.
What do you mean? Oh, really? You got it that low?
Well, he was low when he came in here.
Well, yeah. Oh, Scooter know how to do them low speed maneuvers.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, look at that.
Are those stop?
No, those are aftermarket right there.
I done got it down here on the mount.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yes, I see that.
Are they lower than the stop?
Some people say they are, some people say they're not. I feel that they are.
How long you had that bike? That's a good looking bike.
It's filthy nasty. I got it April 5th. It's got 41 on it.
Oh yeah.
Boy, you ain't. It got 41,000 miles on it,
41,000.
and you bought it new.
Bought it brand new April 5th.
Boy, you ain't playing.
Had it 7 months now.
Retired.
Yeah, but oddly enough, when I wrote the most miles I got in a year was when I was still active duty.
Really?
55,000 in a year.
You pulling a trailer with this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
got an all-star cast. Lewis put out there. Nice day today. Go get us some lunch. That will work, Lewis. Finally got a chance to beat old Scooter Mitchell. The first time meeting him. He got that 2021 black belt. That bad boy is nice.
Town.
Right. Huh?
There's Fred. There's Fred.
That's what I'm talking
Hey! I didn't know if he be
Right on
with
cue.
the grandkids or not.
Hey man, that's a blessing.
Look, when I left this morning, I texted him, I said, hey, I'm going to, all I said was, I'm going to not eat for lunch. He said, he thought it was going to be party and slamming.
And I did.
What's up, Fred? What's up, man? How you doing? All right. Good. Good. How you doing?
All right.
Hey, what time
That's
that?
Karen.
I remember.
Karen and KD.
In Southern, Chattanooga.
Yeah. Go ahead there in the kitchen.
All right, let us all bow our heads. Thank you to the Lord for this wonderful day you have given. We are and less fortunate. In your name I pray, amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Amen.
But yeah, so it wouldn't pair up, so I ended up.
Thank you.
Come on, baby. How did you find your way back in my life? How did you find your way back in my life? How did you find your way?
Go ahead and tell YouTube who you are, the ones that don't know.
They know it. Haskell installs. They know who that is.
They know Haskell install. You know who he is.
They know who.
That's one of the reasons. What's up? That's one of the reasons we left the group.
Scooter Mitchell's in here, y'all.
What's up? Out here with the legendary slapping.
Shoot, I'm trying to catch up with you. Put 40,000 miles in a year.
That was 7 months.
7 months.
Yep.
That's amazing.
You can do it.
Hey,
I've seen how much you ride.
I'm still old working still.
Hey, man, that work stuff's overrated.
Ain't it though?
Had a good lunch with these guys. Make you just proud. to have some friends like that. Some of them I talked to on the internet. Haskell, Scooter Mitchell, met him in person. A1 people. Awesome. All right, you guys, that was the Electrical Connection lunch on December the 2nd day. All right, peace.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.